So this video will show you how to use SharkBite push to connect fittings. So the first thing you want to do is prepare your pipes. You want to cut your pipe square and remove any rough edges and debris that may be on your pipe. I used a 1/2 inch pipe cutter to cut the copper, and I used a PEX cutter to cut the PEX. I also took some fine grit sandpaper and cleaned the end of the copper pipe off. You can also use a deburring tool if you have one, but it's not necessary. The next step is to mark the pipe to the correct insertion depth. I'm working with 1/2 inch pipe, so SharkBite says the insertion depth is around 0.95 inches for this. So I actually just used a ruler and I marked 0.95 inches with a Sharpie. SharkBite actually makes a tool for about $10 that can help you do this, but it's really not necessary. I would just say just go find a chart online that tells you how far to insert it and mark your pipe. You're marking your pipe so that you know that your pipe is seated all the way in your SharkBite fitting. If it's not seated all the way, it will leak. And sometimes you may hit some resistance, so you may think it's seated all the way, but it's actually not. So I'm inserting the PEX into one of the 90-degree SharkBite fittings. And you can see I'm pushing it down till the collar is right at my insertion depth that I marked. I'll also note that inside of the PEX fitting you'll see a white tube that's the stiffener. That can be removed if you're using copper pipe, but I just leave it put. I just feel like I'll damage it trying to get it out, and it doesn't do any harm just to leave it. Now I'm going to show you how to remove the SharkBite fitting. The easiest way is to have a SharkBite removal tool, which I have here. It only costs $1 or $2 at the store, and this one is specifically for 1/2 inch pipe. So to use this tool, you want to place it on the pipe with the non-branded side of the tool facing towards the fitting that you're disconnecting. So it's a push and pull motion. Push that clip right up against the collar and pull the pipe at the same time, and it should release. Well, that's it for this video. So if you like my videos and want to see more, please subscribe to my channel.